there are 673 people waiting in line at the tree farm. They are waiting in groups, and there are 5 people in each group. How many groups are there? So we're doing 673 divided by 5. So these people are waiting in groups of 5, and the question is how many groups of 5 are there? We will end up with a remainder. So to figure out the remainder, to interpret it, you want to remember that this is people. You have 673 people. So when we divide them up, we might have some people left over, and you have to figure out if those people are in an extra group or not. Okay? Remember to give this a try on your own. Use your brain, flex that muscle, and then come back and check your work. First step, 600 divided by 5. Remember, we're just chipping away at this. So 600 divided by 5. Or hey, you know what? Could we just say 6? I mean, how many 5s fit into 6? Just 1. Now, could you pump that back up with your hundreds? Because we're trying to get to 673. Check this out. Oh, yeah. We're just trying to make progress. I mean, look at 500 is a pretty big number. So we do 5 times 100 equals 500. We've already gone up this far in our triangle. I mean, this mountain climber is just making progress. How do you find out the difference? Try that on your own. Come back. Where does this go? Try it on your own and then check. It goes here. Okay. Now what are you going to do? Go ahead and try something. Come back and check your work. You might do it differently than me too, and that's okay. I'm going to take 100. I mean, just working with 100 here, and just say 5 times what equals 100. If you know this by memory, put it in there. If you don't, take away the 0. 5 times what is 10? 2. Put the 0 back in, because getting to 10 doesn't do much, but 5 times 20 is 100. Where's the 20 go? That's what we multiplied. It goes up here. Where's that 100 go? That's the progress we made. It goes here. How do you find the difference? You subtract. Give that a try. Come back. Where's that 73 go? Right here. What are we going to do now? 5 times what equals 73? Forget about it. Just do 70. 5 times what equals 70? Or, you know what? If you feel like that feels too hard, just do 7. 5 can fit into 7. So 5 times 10 is 50. Let's do that. 5 times 10 is 50. Subtract it. We have 23 left to go. And that is okay if we're out of boxes. It doesn't bother me. All we're doing is multiplying that 5 and just chipping away. Let's just keep going. All right, we got to get into 523 now. 5 times what is 23? Well, nothing, but 5 times something is 20. You can get close. 5 times 4. 4 goes up here. 20, subtract 3, and that's your remainder. So 100 plus 20 plus 10 plus 4, we multiplied all those things, and we got 670, and then there's 3 left over. So add this together, and that's your answer. This is your remainder. So your mathematical answer is something remainder 3. But with the pixel art, I just split the columns up so you'd have more things to input because there's a lot of colors. So you'll put this in column B and then the 3 for the remainder in column D. But then my question for you is, how many groups are there then? If there are 3 people left over, then how many actual groups are made? What do we do with those last 3 people? And then make sure you get your label and that you spell it correctly. It asked how many groups there will be, so that will be your label.